Guiding with PHD2 can seem an overwhelming task, but it's really quite simple. In this video, I will tell you how to set up and guide step by step. Firstly, we need to download PHD2. Make sure you download their latest version. While it's downloading, I can tell you that PHD literally stands for Push Here Dummy. So it's very easy to use and it's great for beginners. It's simple but not simplistic. It's a pretty sophisticated tool. Once it's downloaded, you can install it like any other app. After installation, open it up. New profile visit should come up, and it's highly recommended that we use this to optimize PHD for our setup. So press next. Now here you want to choose your camera from the drop down. Here you want to make sure that your guide camera is connected to your computer. Press yes and PHD2 will automatically determine the pixel size of your camera. Next you want to type the focal length of your guide scope. My SV165 Mini is 120 mm, so I will type that. Press next. From the drop down, you have to choose your mount. Again, make sure your mount is connected via AstroOnBudget cable. Press yes and click next. Press next again and type the profile name, whatever you want to call it. I'll call mine J profile. Then click finish. Next, the pop-up will appear to build a dark library. I think this is an absolutely important step. You want to make sure that your camera noise is not misread as a star. And to avoid that, we need dark files. So click Create Entirely New Library and press Start. Make sure your guide scope cap is on. Press OK and it should begin. Now this will take a few moments. Once that's done, press OK. Make sure to take the cap off. Next, you want to press that circle button to begin looping. Looping means it will begin taking photos. We can't see stars in the view, that means that focus is out. So unscrew your camera and manually move your camera up and down until you begin to see stars. Our goal is to make the stars as small as possible. Once it looks good, screw it in. Next, you want to see the graph. So go to View, Display Graph. Next, go to the button that looks like finding a star and click it. PHD2 will auto-select a star and lock onto it. Next, press the green button and it should begin collaboration. Each time PHD2 has to collaborate before it's ready to guide, and it takes a few minutes. So wait until collaboration is done. Once that is done, it will ultimately begin guiding, as you can see in the graph. It's a windy day, so I don't expect guiding to be perfect. I use Nina as my acquisition software, so I'll open it now and connect PHD2 to Nina. Once that's done, it's all ready for me to take photos. As you can see, it's guiding away nicely. Let me say a word about settings. Ideally, you want the total error to be less than your setup resolution. So for example, I use Canon EOS 1100D with 714mm refractor. My resolution is 1.5 arcsecond per pixel. So as long as my tracking is hovering below that number, I'm happy. That said, this is one of the hotly debated things in the astro world. Another thing to note is that I'm using 1 second exposures because of the windy conditions. But ideally you want to be using 2 seconds exposure settings. This will make sure that you are not chasing seeing, and also your mount is not overcorrecting. I hope to make the next video on how to improve your guiding, so check that out later. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to show your appreciation.